Hello, Jeremy from Rhodeswood. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I haven't on this platform walked you through the shop or indeed round it, so I hope you'll let me do just that. This is our bottom King Street window, lower King Street door, shoe window, and the shop's been here about over 200 years in many guises. This is the lower Parliament Street window, and a plaque about a former occupant that used to have right the way up to number 50, about 6 doors up. And this is the upper Parliament Street window, and I'll take you through and we'll have a look around the whole of the shop. So here we are inside, and many of the questions that I'm asked is when I'm next in London, I will come and see you. Well, wonderful, thank you very much, but we're not in London. We are about 3 hours north of London in Harrogate in North Yorkshire. So here we are inside, and this is the upper floor. Originally it was 2 shops split into one, and here we house our formal shirts, which are all double cuffed, no breast pocket, semi-spread collar. And on this side, the hand finished shirts and the machined shirts here. Range of traditional English ties, Bresciani socks, I think probably one of the finest socks in the world from Italy. One of our cabinets of rare and interesting things that's really become a strong part of our business. English handmade gowns, and then the oldest pharmacy in the world from Santa Maria Novella in Italy. Looking a little bit bare because we do sell it very well, and we have another order coming from Italy very shortly. Another cabinet of some quite rare 1/7 scale Louis Vuitton trunks, an old advertising piece here, beautiful crocodile Dunhill folio, old crocodile cigar cases, and a selection of cutters and pens. And then you can see a part of our small, at the minute, section of Louis Vuitton. There's more things arriving all the time. We do move that very quickly. Cashmere knitwear are very popular pyjamas. And lots of people say, who sells or who sleeps in pyjamas? But believe me, we do very well with these for lounging in as well. English socks by Pantherella. And this is these are rather the Incotex chinos, and on here one of our handmade jackets, which we do in Italy. No fusing whatsoever, completely handmade, just the long seams done on a machine. Absolutely exquisite work. And I'll take you down to the second floor. Second floor is maybe a large claim, it's actually 2 steps, but you know what I mean. So English shoes by Crockett and Jones and Lokes and the like. That's the secret door, which isn't a secret anymore, through to the shoe stock room. You can see our crocodile and alligator belts on the back. And then we try to keep roughly 200 ready-to-wear suits in stock, ranging from 36 chest up to 52 chest, shorts, regulars and longs, not in everything, and 200 suits. When you spread that out over the sizes, it gives you a choice of about 6 or 7 in your size. Borsellino hats from Italy. One of my passions here has been since I came into the trade, and despite what the current trend is for people not wearing ties, we sell hundreds of ties, if not thousands, and we always have roughly 1,000 in stock, mostly handmade. And I maintain it finishes a suit, and I don't care what the people are doing not wearing ties. That's up to them. We have ties. We also have roughly 200 sports coats in stock, but we are still making roughly 6 or 7 made-to-measure garments for every ready-to-wear. So here are some of the cloth bunches from Scabal, Harrison's, Fox Brothers. There are a few more, and that's just a small selection. We have what we call a library through in the other room, which has thousands of cloths. That's a quick walk around the shop, Rhodeswood. So if you are in town, do come and say hello and have a look. It's forever changing. New stock arrives all the time. Whilst we do concentrate on seasons, we have new stock arriving constantly, and certainly on the pre-owned vintage goods, that changes very, very quickly. So pleasure to talk to you, and we hope that you'll like and subscribe, and any questions you have, please do ask away. If there's something you want to see, we will try and make a video about it and answer your questions. So thank you.